Quality that is of innumerable kind, the differentiation, the quantity also, degree of affinity, and nature of affinity, division, subdivision, subdivision, there are branches, and different branches the Goswami has given. Especially in Madhur Rasa, he has classified. In Ujjwal Nilmani, in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, the science of general devotion, he takes it, the general bhakti and the bhakti gradual development, and the highest position it comes to Madhur Rasa. It is closed there, Bhakti Rasamrita in the first part. And then second part, Ujjwal Nilmani. There only Madhur Rasa has been dealt with in details. I have not gone through it, but only Chaitanya Charitamrita and other places. We did not venture to enter into the details of Madhur Rasa. Our Guru Maharaj did not like it, but it will come irresistibly within you. You go on, Savan Kirtan, Ujjala Raga Pathu Gaurava Bhangi. Rushing as angels, we have to say, it is so high. When it will come, it will awaken within you. You won't be awakened by any other person. Oh, an example was given by Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj in a general way. That Babaji Maharaj, he used to live in a very small hut on the banks of the Ganges. Another gentleman, imitating him, erected a similar cottage nearby. And physically, he used to make penances like Babaji Maharaj, eating, not eating, taking bath, Sundays not taking bath in this way, physical austerity. Then his remark came one day to one sadhu. Only entering the laboring room, a girl cannot produce a child. The mere imitation. But many things necessary beforehand. So, and also there is another tale. A girl talking to his mother. When when the child will come out of my womb, mother, you please awaken me at the time. The mother told, no, you will awaken me at the time. It won't be necessary that I shall rouse you from your slumber. So a child is coming, you awake. It is not like that. So the Sahajiya, Babaji, they were laboring hard externally to produce some chai. But our Guru Maharaj told, it is no easier thing. Muktanam Rishiddhanam Narayan Parasurulava Prasantatma Koti Shabi Mahamuni. It is highest of the highest. So won't allow you to venture to run towards that extremity. Only no. And behold, the day will dawn by the grace of the Lord. You will not be able to resist that thing. That tendency within you. You go on. Hetamadi Sechinitya Savan Kirtanadi Yal. The duty of the Mali, of the disciple, to pour water into the root. And natural growth there will be. And then the fruit will come down from here, he will test in this way. So don't venture to rush in that. Ujjal Nilmani. There is a book where only Madhura Rasa has been dealt in detail. And very shortly that is given here and there in Chaitanya Charitamrita in a well-guarded way. We have our approach only there. And whatever little we have heard from Guru Maharaj, from his lips, sometimes we, like a star here and there, we look at them, not a detailed account we have gone through the whole self. But whatever we have heard, that is enough, and we hope one day we may be allowed to enter that domain in any life. A vague representation. Ujjal Nilmani. That is good. Shokhi, Nadma Shokhi, Priya Shokhi. In this way, so many groups of Shokhi. And there are then Manjari, and department, so many things there are. That is on our head, on the upper side of our attainment. We are hoping, but not unnaturally enter there as a trespasser. Everything will be spoiled. We are not ready to spoil our fortune. Whatever we have got, there is much there. There is much. But any greater prospect, which is impossible for mankind to reach there, why should I be so much ardent, impatient, and to spoil my prospect? I won't go to spoil. What we have got, that is enough. There is enough food. And if we do not find any food there, then to find food to run up, that will be treachery. Eagerness is good, but rushing is foolish. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Ujjal Nilmani. Chakrabarti Thakur has given just in 3 of his Samadhi books. Kiran Bindu Kana. Kiran, Ujjal Nilmani, no. Kiran Bindu Kona, Kona Bhagavatamritam, Amrita Kona. Kiran, Ujjal Nilmani, Mani Kiran, ray of the gems, luster of the gems. And Bindu, a particle of the nectar. And Bindu, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, a drop of water of the ocean. Kiran Bindu Kama. There he has mentioned in a very short sketch, short. Hare Krishna, Gaur Hari Bol. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Jai Gaur Hari Bol.
If there's no one, if Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur did not approve of his disciples to read such a book as Ujjal Nilamani,
Yes.
then who was the book written for?
We are not atheists. That before reading that book, if I die, my prosperity is gone forever. Don't think like that. If I am there in the soil, I am safe. One day I must get that. He gave me some hints. He gave me admission by requesting me to sing the song of the Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari. And I think that he had given, at least many of our friends told that he has given you admission. Admission. His good wish is there, that I may not misunderstand at least. A gatekeeper. And by the name of Bhakti Rakshak, they say that I am the protector, but I think that I am a gatekeeper. A gatekeeper. By this name, he has appointed me as a gatekeeper who will go in. You want to see Hare Krishna. So I am not giving passport or visa to anyone and that. Hare Krishna. Vaikunthe Prasidvadi Sinmoy Maik Bhuti Taha Janmo Nahi Hoy. We have to be conscious that the soil of that land is more valuable than by which we are made of. We tapastha jiva, the material by which we have been created, and where we are wanted to enter, that is a more valuable type of material. The water, the earth, the air, everything. If I be not a traitor of this sort of understanding, then how can I venture? I am allowed to go. I am required to go over putting my footsteps what is more pure and venerable for me. Only for the necessity from that region. That is free. It is not so cheap, it is most valuable. Jiva Goswami has mentioned in Sandarbha that why Shukdev did not take the name of Radharani in Bhagavad. He came, he approached, and almost was going to take her name, but he shuddered and pushed back. That is the opinion of thinking the audience, the characteristic of the audience. Sukhdev, he approached to take the name, but again he came back. No. What is the thought underlying this of Jiva Goswami? So we preachers, we must follow that. What is scrupulousness? Ujjava Ragavata Gaurava Bhange. So our Guru Maharaj is said to be the incarnation of Jiva Goswami, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Jiva. So Vicharaka Iva Jivaka. I am a die-hard, I put it in his poem and also in another place. Kaviraj Naruttama, Raghurupa Sanatana Kirti Dharam, Dharani Bharahara Sanatana Kirti Dharam, Dharani Tala Kirti to Jiva Kavi. He was the protector of the Bhakti Rasa and Ragavata Gaurava Bhangi as Jiva Goswami did. Jivadvai Ravirakhitam. It is high above and tried to prove that from evidences from different scriptures from this Puran, Tantra, Ved, Upanishad, Mahabharata, Jiva Goswami's function was to prove that what Rupa and Sanatana gave, that is the highest in the theological waters. To prove that. That was his function. And our Guruji's function was similar. To prove that he is above and come to understand these steps and make it understand with me. Come. I won't allow you to spread blasphemy about this name. That is my duty. And Gaudiya Math mainly for that. That it is high, higher than the highest. And you all come to fight in the lower position, lower plane. Sudhivi Vimigyan, revealed truth in different expressions. They are only showing in that direction. That is the position of the thing. Sudhivi is Vimigyan. They are particularly showing the direction only. That is this side. And not taken into and analyzed and testing, not like that. It is so valuable, it is adhukshaja. It is the harem of Sri Krishna himself. Must not be undervalued, undermined. That is the danger in it. The danger of undervaluation. That must be guarded with all our might. and it will be self-effulgent. When it will come, it will awaken in one's heart, apatihata, irresistible. And then it will be full-fledged. It is natural. It will be natural. It will be natural growth. One won't be able to retard, to catch the rain of his progress. Won't be able. It should be such natural. You will find that he is surrounded by that plane. No help. It is such. It will come down. The higher atmosphere will come down to surround. I myself, in the lowest order, I had some experience of the Adhukshaja knowledge. One day I was sitting on that chair there and talking with Manoviram Prabhu and the Sajjananand Prabhu. Suddenly I found there's some subtle plane of knowledge came down and they captured my whole consciousness. My consciousness, limited consciousness, as if it is surrounded. And even at the bottom, at the disposal of that higher knowledge, I felt. So much so that when it is dawn, at few seconds, or half a minute or a minute, then it will be vanished. I began to tell to those that now I am experiencing some wonderful thing, that higher consciousness has come down and it has surrounded me on all sides. I think my ego is within another atmosphere, and that is like something like mist, but that is conscious, not any other thing, not even, and because that is a conscious of higher substance than I am, than my knowledge. I felt it. Then I thought, look, we are told that when one is going to Vaikuntha in a chariot, there is this, there is spoken of chariot, comes under surrounding, and whenever I felt myself helpless, wherever it will go, I am captured, a captive, I shall have to go there. I felt. I am helpless here. Wherever this consciousness will go, I am a captive within that, in the self. I shall have to go, no other alternative. I conceived this. So that I have come to, that is Adhukshaja.